Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be very simple, quick, straight to the point.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I would say this is a pretty simple look, and definitely a way to incorporate color into your makeup look if you're somebody that doesn't use color. There's a couple colors that I really love, and orange is definitely at the top of the list. Orange is actually one of my favorite colors. And it's also one of my favorite colors because it really brings out the browns and like the hazels and brown eyes. And I don't know, I just think it is such a nice color for brown eyes, brunettes. Just I feel like the tones go very well together, you know, browns and corals and lavenders, you know, they definitely bring out brown eyes the most, which is of course what I have. If you ever want your eyes to pop a little bit more or you want your eyes to stand out a little bit more, try using colors like lavender or orange for brown eyes. But of course, if you have any other color eyes, blue, hazel, green, orange is definitely going to look very nice with those eye colors. Yeah, I mean, that's it. It's a pretty basic, simple makeup look. The skin, I tried to keep it, of course, flawless skin. It's definitely not a natural skin look. You definitely can tell that I have foundation on, right? I mean, I wanted to, of course, hide all of the imperfections that I had going on, you know, acne scars that I had here on the sides of my cheeks, and any redness that was around my nose, and of course just covering any dark spots and dark circles around my eyes. I'm not one of those girls that's very big on defined eyebrows, or even eyebrows period. If it were up to me, I would just like leave them like that, but at the same time, my shape is definitely not like super defined. The main product I use for my eyebrows is this Essence Make Me Brow gel mascara. And I mean, it's just been a big help because there's times where I've done a full face of makeup and didn't bother to do anything with my eyebrows, and later in pictures I'm like where are my eyebrows? Okay, I need to start putting some kind of product to darken, and this does that for my eyebrows. You know, it coats the hair really well, and then it shapes and it keeps shape. If you're interested in that, you can definitely go and find most of these products either at the drugstore or at Ulta, and then definitely online, of course. A lot of the products that I use, they're not necessarily new products in the store or new releases, they're just new to me. And one of the new products that I used was this LA Colors Pout Lip Gloss, and it's a matte lip gloss. And it's in the color Let's Kiss, which is one of the nude pinky colors that they had in the line. And typically when I find LA Colors products, it's usually at a Family Dollar. So that's where I got this, and I think it was like, I don't know, it was probably like less than $2. And it went on really nice, and it did set down to a matte. And then on top of that, I also had another lip gloss from LA Colors called the Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss. The color for this one is Gold Rush. I'm not sure if you can see. My lips are kind of like shimmery and like holographic. Well, this is what I laid on top, and it's the holographic lip gloss. It's pretty big glitter for a lip gloss. But I can't feel the glitter particles in the lip gloss, if that makes sense. Like, I can't feel it when I rub my lips together, and it's actually a thick enough formula that it's not like slipping and sliding everywhere. Like, it's not going to be like down your chin, you know, in like an hour. But so I would say it stays in place, and it feels sticky. Pretty new to me. I think it's cute. I didn't want it to be matte. And then I know you guys saw when I pulled this palette out, which I've used in a different video, so if you're interested in that, it was actually a Valentine's look, so it had more of like pinky mauvey tones in that one. But it was the same palette. I ended up going with this really nice shimmery orange color, just because of course I had some orange matte going on. I don't even know if I've talked about this in videos before, but I do have different kinds of videos coming up very soon. They're just taking me a little bit longer because there's so
much footage from
all of these trips, which there's a hint. If you guys love watching travel vlog videos that are of vacation trips, or just traveling, hiking, canoeing, kayaking, being at the Alright, so as I was saying earlier, be on the lookout for lots of videos coming soon, and vacations that I've gone on in the last like 6 months to a year. Yes, a year. I have
lots of content, but because I'm not a professional editor, I'm not a professional videographer or had any skills.
Anything that I've learned from filming and editing and putting together a video is just self-taught, something that I've kind of just had to work through. And yes, there was a lot of frustration at the very beginning, and I'm definitely still learning. I never get like the perfect lighting, I never get like the perfect frame, you know, because I know it's not going to be perfect. Everything's not going to be all glitz and glam and perfect the first time around how I wanted, of course, but I definitely work with what I do get. You know, just sitting here recording this, I definitely work with what I capture. I'm appreciating the process that it takes to, you know, do a whole video from start to finish, and I really do enjoy the editing part. If you're looking forward to those types of videos, travel vlogs, then stay tuned for them. You guys can take one last look at the makeup look. I have anything else to say other than please go and subscribe and join the family.